Picture this. Marcus Aurelius with an iPhone, Epictetus scrolling Instagram, or Seneca checking his emails. Would these ancient philosophers be glued to their screens like the rest of us? Or would they approach technology in a way that maximizes its benefits while avoiding its pitfalls? In today's video, we'll imagine how the Stoics would navigate the digital age. We'll explore how their timeless wisdom can help us use technology with purpose, avoid distractions, and stay in control of our time and attention. Stick around till the end, because we'll discuss one Stoic-inspired hack that can revolutionize how you interact with your devices. Lesson 1. Mastering the tool, not being mastered by it. Epictetus famously said, "Men are disturbed not by things, but by the views they take of them." If the Stoics had smartphones, they'd see them as tools, no different from a hammer or a quill. A tool serves its purpose, but should never dictate your actions. The endless notifications and app updates we experience today, the Stoics would silence them, focusing only on what truly matters. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Curate your phone so that only essential apps have your attention. Ask yourself, is this tool serving me, or am I serving it? Imagine Epictetus teaching you to treat your phone like a servant, not a master. How much more focused would your day be if you only used your smartphone when necessary? Lesson 2. Practicing digital minimalism. Seneca warned about wasting time in his essay on the shortness of life. It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it. The Stoics would likely reject the endless scrolling and binge-watching culture of today. Instead, they'd use technology intentionally, whether to learn, connect, or accomplish a goal. They'd delete apps that waste time and focus on those that provide real value. Conduct a digital declutter. Delete apps that don't align with your goals. Replace mindless activities with intentional ones, like reading a book or meditating. Picture Marcus Aurelius looking at your app usage. What would he delete? How much more time could you reclaim by using your phone intentionally? Lesson 3. Setting boundaries for technology. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Smartphones are designed to hijack your attention, but the Stoics would set firm boundaries. They'd likely dedicate specific times for checking emails, scrolling social media, or using apps, ensuring technology fits into their schedule, not the other way around. Scheduled tech-free hours during your day. For example, avoid using your phone during meals or the first hour after waking up. Create space to think, reflect, and be present. Imagine setting your phone aside during dinner and actually enjoying a meal like a Stoic, present, mindful, and undistracted. How much richer could your life be with these boundaries? Lesson 4. Facing FOMO with wisdom. The Stoics would laugh at today's fear of missing out. Marcus Aurelius might say, "It never ceases to amaze me. We all love ourselves more than other people, but care more about their opinions than our own." Social media amplifies FOMO, but the Stoics remind us that most of what we think we're missing out on doesn't matter. They'd focus on their own path, not comparing their lives to others. Limit your time on social media and unfollow accounts that spark comparison or envy. Reflect on your own goals and values daily to remind yourself of what truly matters. Imagine scrolling Instagram and feeling completely at peace. Not because you've caught up, but because you genuinely don't care about keeping up. What kind of freedom would that bring? Lesson 5. Using smartphones for personal growth. Seneca believed in using every resource for self-improvement. As long as you live, keep learning how to live. The Stoics would harness the power of smartphones to grow intellectually and spiritually. They'd use apps for meditation, reading philosophy, or journaling their thoughts. For them, The smartphone wouldn't be a source of distraction, but a tool for becoming better versions of themselves. Download apps that align with your personal growth goals. Use your phone for listening to audiobooks, learning new skills, or keeping a gratitude journal. Picture your phone as a gateway to knowledge and self-improvement, not a trap of mindless entertainment. What kind of person could you become if every time you picked up your phone, it helped you grow? If the Stoics had smartphones, they wouldn't be scrolling mindlessly, chasing likes, or drowning in notifications. They'd use technology with purpose, discipline, and wisdom. So, the next time you pick up your phone, ask yourself, what would Marcus Aurelius do? Would he use this moment to grow, connect meaningfully, or focus on his priorities? Let us know in the comments how you plan to bring Stoic wisdom into your digital life. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on applying ancient wisdom to the modern world. Because as the Stoics would remind us, true freedom lies in mastering your mind, not your screen.